morning.
Good morning.
We are gonna go to the hospital today.
We're on the road down to Tripler. They gave us a call this morning at 6:15 in the morning. Lauren and I were in bed, like most people are.
Jumped up.
The phone went off. It said unknown caller. I thought it was a telemarketer and was half tempted to tell Lauren not to answer the phone. Turns out it was the hospital. And they told us that they had a bed ready for us.
Finally.
They said
We've been
that
waiting.
Lauren should eat a light lunch of eggs and toast, shower,
Check.
and head down. So that's what we're doing. Heading down right now.
Holy crap.
We'll be coming back the same route with the baby.
Ooh, that'll be great. We're excited. Okay, so we were just discussing on the way to the hospital
Our feelings.
how we're feeling. Pierce, you go first. How are you feeling?
A little nervous, but excited. I'm nervous for the health of mother and baby, but I think they'll both be in excellent health. And excited for a new one to join the family.
And I'm over here, like, trying to decide how I feel because there's a lot of feelings. I'm not scared yet, but I was trying to figure out what I'm feeling because there's lots of different ones going around. But I kind of figured it out. I remember feeling this way when Pierce and I were sitting in the ceiling room of the temple before we got married, and we were sitting down together on that little double bench and holding hands, and I'm listening to the sealer and I'm not really listening to the sealer, and I'm nervous and I'm excited, and this feels monumental and crazy and huge, but I have to be calm and relaxed. And I thought that's so interesting that I'm feeling the exact same way that I did when we started our family. But now we're gonna add a new baby. It's like the same feeling. It's so weird. So there you go. That's it. I'm gonna cry. Goodbye. Good morning.
Good morning. So it's been 3 days since we've been here at Tripler Army Medical. It's been pretty jam-packed, I'd say. When we arrived, Lauren was taken into an L&D room, labor and delivery room, and they gave her a bed, and within just a few hours she was in labor, and she had her epidural and
Another epidural.
because the first one didn't take. The next day, Sunday morning at about 10:30, she felt the urge to push, and she pushed for about a half hour, 45 minutes, and let me show what happened. This mama right here delivered a nice healthy boy. His name is Oliver Wallace Bennett, and he came in, I don't know if you can see the stats, 11'10", 9 pounds, 14 ounces, and 21 inches long. And he has just been such a delight to have with us. We're happy to report that both Mom and Oliver are in excellent health, recovering. We're taking this moment to have a slow morning.
Yeah.
Again, this is day 3, and he kept us awake for most of the night last night, wanting to feed or wanting to have his diaper changed or
A cuddle.
a cuddle. He loves to cuddle. So when you're in the neighborhood, come by and we'll let you hold him. We'll be discharged today. We head home.
We're so excited to take him home.
We're excited to take him home. We're excited to have Finn meet him. I think that'll probably be the next clip, is having Finn meet his little brother.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Anyhow, grateful that everything went well, and see you soon. Alright, there he is. Here's Ellis. This is a test, making sure everything's working. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Pierce. Super excited.
We just pulled home. We're gonna see what Finn's honest reaction is. So, here we go.
Thank you, Doctor. See all this? You guys see this?
It's like, I want to see more. Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, that's
He's like, oh, not that. Okay.
we can bring him down or we can take him out and let him sleep.
Pull him out.
He's not touching, he's just walking on his legs.
I'm not touching. I'm not touching. Just kissing.
Oh, you just got a good scratch on your face.
Okay, okay.
You did it.
Are you excited?
That's your little baby. That's your baby.
It's your little brother.
Okay, fine. I love him.
There's little Ollie. Hasn't even woken up yet. There's Grandpa with Oliver. He's talking. And Finn's inspecting, making sure everything's okay. Good boy, Finn. Everybody's waiting their turn. So, see how he opens his eyes?